So basically in this video we are going to talk about reason why you should start blogging. The biggest reason is the money. You can easily make six-figure income with blogging. So that's like maybe $100,000. See, and I'm going to show you a technique in which you can double your earnings. So the topic of this video should have been how to make money with blogs and YouTube, as that's part one of my six series, how to make money online from home, how to start your online business from home. So whatever you have, you can make whatever, sorry, on whatever topic you write your blog on, like it's five best WordPress plugins. You can make a video about that. But most of the people are that I'm too shy to come on camera. My voice doesn't sound good. Here's the tool. Go to naturalvideos.com. The link is in the description. This is a cool text to speech tool. If I write anything, you're like, hello, my name is Jack. I'm just gonna let you hear to this. Actually, it's on my headphones. It's more great now, but it's a cool thing. You have number of voices to it, its pricing kind of in here. So it's free if you, but you can only use 20 minutes a day. That there are different plans, but it's comparatively cheap. $100 a year, it's $60 a year. It's cheap. The second thing is I don't like. Yes, the tool. This tool can make you cool animations, not actually animations, presentations and all. You just need to give them photos and select one template and they make it. So they have a pricing. They don't have free version. You can use it free for 14 days. So I think that's enough. You can make two videos a day and stock it up for the month, and at the end of the month you're going to get a lot of money. So here they are planning pricing. So if you do this, you make both YouTube videos and blog, which is pretty easy. Just write the blog and make it into video. Or what you can do is take famous blogs which have gone viral, which people read a lot. You can make a video on that. That's a cool tip for all the YouTuber guys who don't get ideas for their videos. Just go and read blogs and make a video on that. Happy do the same thing. So you can get two times the money, so you can make nearly $200 every single month. So that's the biggest reason. The second reason is pretty easy, and people say they can't actually write, they're not writers. So you have to curate, you can curate content on your blog. There are many curating content tools. See, I've got a list of 17 tools and curate content. I'm going to leave the link in the description. So that's basically the reasons you need to start blogging now. Now we're going to talk about how you can make money with blogging. So there are five ways, I believe. So the first way is digital products. Digital products. Sorry for that. So basically ebooks, courses, webinars, you can sell them easily. People usually buy it as a passive source of income. But once you put on your website, you rank it on Google, hundreds of people are gonna come daily, gonna read that post, like it, and have a lot of chance to also buy the product. Or should be obviously direct. You should say, you should say, you should share your personal experience with the product. If it's a ebook to go ahead, you should show your photos or some demo photos of models. You can get them free. I'm going to show you a site which you can get easily the free pics there. Good site, you can get images for free. So if I say hair loss, whether they have several images, yeah, I can see this hair loss. You can use these in office search. You can use these decent enough. You can say use these ones. You should sell results. People go in results a lot. That's the reason you sell digital products. So if you have a product of $20, I'm not going to tell you you put up one product and people are going to buy it. You put hundred of products and hundred of posts daily, every single day. But the problem in this is you need to own the products. You can't sell someone else's ebook. So if you can't make products, which is also pretty easy, I have a video on how you can make products easily, write ebooks, make courses. So if you can't do that, you can try flip marketing. Flip marketing works in both ways, digital and physical products. In your flip marketing, you sell someone else's product, they give you a commission. And don't think commission will less. You sell digital products from ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, you're gonna get up to $100 commission. I've made got so many products which have $130. I haven't got a product which has $300 commission, so don't think you can do that. The third thing was physical products. Obviously, you can do a thing called print on demand for POD. I'll tell you website Printful. This website is cool. They make print on demand one clothes, t-shirts. They have a list of products you can choose from. The best thing I like about this is they give your logo at the inside of the t-shirt near the collar. They give your logos. People think it's your shirt. So if you have a blog called Best WordPress WordPress Guide and you have a t-shirt based on bloggers and jokes, something funny, people are gonna buy that. That's physical products. You just need to upload the design. These people are gonna print it, deliver it, and get the payment for you. So we're gonna move on to the fourth way, which is the best when you can unlock is your membership sites. So basically, what you're gonna do is have if you are right article on 5 best WordPress plugins, you're gonna show them 3 and show 2 for the only the special members which have by the newsletter. So not sorry, not the newsletter which have by special membership. Like example this one. These sites. These are membership sites. They take money every single month and they earn money. So you can keep the prices low but make sure you build every year so you're gonna get a lot of customers every single year. So even if they don't use your things, you're gonna still gonna make money every single year. And even if they use your resources, you're not gonna lose anything. That's the first thing I like about this. And you're gonna have a lot of potential. You don't need anything, you just need to start make some resources. You can give them you can make them subscribe to newsletters, you can give content for free, like you have a WordPress blog, so you can give a newsletter which has 100 best not 100 actually 10 best WordPress tools every single month. They have a better chance to buy it. The last and final thing for making money with a blog is paid promotions and sponsorships. You can go on a website. Sorry, I free bit notes. I forgot the name. Sponsorship for YouTube. YouTube sponsorship. It's called FameBit. Yeah, forgot the name. So this is a YouTube, I think so. YouTube for YouTube and also that's my recommendation is that YouTube channel. If you don't want to come on camera, you can do that. Things pricing. Actually, it's not for creators. Yeah, this video 10% fee. So basically, brands give you $50, 100, $200 just to take the name in the beginning of the video. Though there are some sites like Wix.com will tell you make a video on how to make a site with us, and then they give you $1,000. Sorry about the dogs barking. But yeah, I can get $1,000 easily. So if you get 10 such websites, you get give you $1,000 to make a video about you're using their website. That's cool. You make $10,000 with 10 videos. You can write a blog. You can tell join your. You can give referral links. Another way you can earn money is referral. It's a big thing. People are making millions of dollars, especially in the money making sites. Because if you want to make money, you just write referral and earn and just any money making program like I don't know an example. I'm not going to say money making programs because they pay really low. There are some programs can make a little money, but the reference only thing online. They give $100, $25, $5 for every single person take it, and you can approximately get 1,000, 10,000. Yeah, this is a big question I get asked. People, new bloggers ask, who will read my blog? Who will watch my YouTube video? Let me tell you a fact. On an average, small blogs get 500 visitors every single day if they do their SEO right. and I'm gonna get loads of videos on telling you how to do SEO right. So basically, for those people who don't know what SEO, it's search engine optimization. So you just need to get that right. So stay tuned for future videos. I'll teach you how to do the SEO right, and we're gonna make nearly 500 to 1000. Sorry, 500 to 1000 viewers every single day from day one. So if you like the video, make sure to hit the bell icon, subscribe to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up. The next video I'm gonna talk about is what should I choose, WordPress or Wix, Weebly, other sites. And I'm also gonna give you some plugins, tools which are gonna come handy in making a blog.